Right guys, welcome back to another video. Got Lou here with me today as well. Sorry I've not posted in a while. It's obviously with the racing season finishing. There's not been much to do really. Today we've got some service bits to do on the car. We've got the thermostat to do, just general service, spark plugs, oil change, filter changes, air filter. We've also got a gearbox service to do as well. I don't think that we'll get that done today, but we'll see how we get on, see how much we get on. We'll probably just put it all into one video, and yeah, got a little lad with me as well to help, so it should be a good day. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot. We seem to getting a fair few views on the videos, but just need to kind of up the subscribers. So if you do that, I would much appreciate it, and we'll catch you when we're there.
Okay guys, so Daddy's just fixing something on the car and he'll be done in a minute. So, okay.
So we're just doing the cabin filter. We've got the old one out. Full of rubbish.
No, they can't see it.
Full of rubbish, definitely needed replacing.
Yeah.
Won't make us go any faster though, will it, Lou?
Mhm. Hi.
Right, polyfilter's filter's done, so next we will go on to the spark plugs. This is the one I was worried about. With the Clios, it leaks from the window washer into the bonnet and sits on cylinder 4, I think it is. This doesn't look too bad, it's a little bit moisture though. So as a fox, all the water leaks down into it. That one's pretty minging. spark plug's all done.
I'm trying to put that sound up quickly.
So I didn't video it, just changed the air filter. Just got a paper one to put back in because I didn't know which one was in it. It's the first time we've done a full service on this car since we bought it. It looks like some sort of performance filter that was in it. Quite a hard mesh one, however, it is proper grim. Also split as well up here. So, although we put a paper one back in, it's got to be better than that, surely.
Oh, he's gonna go everywhere, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm scared, Daddy.
Fox is scared.
I need to be scared. Daddy, it's all over your hands.
It is.
Ew. Oh, it's going everywhere, Dad.
I know.
It's leaking. It's leaking.
Yeah, watch out.
Your hands. They're filthy.
Don't lose that.
Okay. Their hands are filthy.
I know, sometimes there's no clean way of doing it.
That shows a lot of oil.
Yep.
And when's it gonna start draining?
So I reckon to stick some sand down.
Sand.
Yeah.
Sand?
Sand, yeah.
Oh, my bag of sand.
Your sand.
My sand. I put it straight now. Dad, can I have a turn laying down?
Well, just don't go under the car, that's all.
Aww. What can I do for a job for you? You didn't use this, Dad. You didn't use this, Daddy.
What? Yeah, I did. It's on the end of that one. There.
How did you take it off?
I only needed one of them.
How did you take it off, Dad?
Huh?
How did you take it off? Oh, like that. Smart. Smart, Dad, you're smart. But how can you help me put it back on? Dad, can you help me put it back on?
Well, I need it to tighten it back up there.
Oh, yeah.
Just try to get this oil filter.
Let me see. What is it? Another oil filter?
Yeah, well, I just did the. That's where the oil comes out of. And I'm just doing the filter now. I'm excited this.
What oil filter?
Well, it's right underneath, so you come out away. I'll show it to you when I get it out.
Get it out? How can you get it out?
Still undo it.
How?
Well, that's with the tool.
Is it that?
Yeah, come out away, it's like this.
That?
No, it's like right up there.
Oh, this? No, this. Let me try them.
No, don't go under.
There. There, Dad.
Yeah.
Is it this shit? Is it that?
It's what's in that box.
No. Is it this just right at the back, or is it what's in this box?
It's what's in the box.
Okay. Wait, this never was like that. You didn't show me this, it was something different. Or maybe I'm thinking about the other day. I'm thinking the other. It's rolling, Dad. Daddy. Hi guys. Lovely day. So it's a lovely day, and I hope you subscribe. Okay, so bye guys.
Right, we had a bloody nightmare with the oil filter, but we got there. Had to fire a screwdriver through it. So we're on that tight. But oil change is all done. I'm just going to put the oil in now. So we got some Miller's competition, 540 CF.
Hi guys, so we're just setting off to do a bit of a test ride. Yeah, so let's get to it, and Dad will tell you the rest. What we're doing, Dad?
So just finished service. We'll take it on a bit of a test drive, just letting it all warm up now. It seems to be running pretty smooth. All levels all correct. So we'll see how we get on.
Do I need to put my seatbelt on?
Yeah, you do.
Oh. Guys, I have my seatbelt on. It's dangerous. Well, let me just put my seatbelt on. Oh yeah, you're just doing it up there and around?
Yeah, just round the block just to make sure.
Okay. Right, let's get to it. I'll film you again. So, Daddy's just seeing if he's in a good spot. He's pulled into his normal space. We've got mostly all the tools out, and we're gonna put them back in. I left my football and football ramp out so I could have another try. So yeah, let's just do what I always say, let's just get to it.